Today. There's the e-bikes just getting ready to go. There we got a Ventus and a E-Ride 3.0. The SR is out for a ride right now. Made it to the racetrack. We've got the bikes out. I don't know if you can see it. Got the bikes out here. Set up camp here. The track's up over here. We should walk up over there and look at the track. Again, you know, we got the van. Yeah, those are nice. Walk over here and look at the track real quick and get going on this dinner thing. I'm a star if we drove all the way out here. This place should fill up tomorrow. We'll go up here and look at the track. It's a long walk. The van's over there. This place will fill up tomorrow. I think the vendors will be over here to the right. But here's a look at the track. It's nice. Graded. Ready to go. That's the starting line. Mini Moto series. It's the first day of the Mini Moto series. I have to get going on some food. But there's our spot. Here's our spot for the weekend here. You can see we've got the bikes out. It's going to be a fun weekend. I'll get some stuff out here. Maybe get going on some dinner. Oh man, that sucks. I think that's 4 rips in this one. Gotta go dinner start. Got a little crab boil going here. Got some apples, some sausage, some shrimp, and some corn going in this sucker today. There's the e-bikes just getting ready to go. There we got a Ventus and a E-Ride 3.0. The SR is out for a ride right now. Here's the food. The races are tomorrow. I'm going to be cooking here tonight. First, be making this crab boil for a while. See how we like that. Oh man. Maybe Zach will be pulled up here in a second. My lid's awesome here that I gotta use, huh? Look at this lid. Or the lid to my pot here I'm using. I'm trying to keep it sealed and everything, you know. Is what it is. Get this stuff stirred up here. The butter's starting to melt. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh.
I didn't mean to, but there's like a little water puddle right there. Got a little mud on the back here.
We're gonna have to fix that tonight. Can't be on my bike.
That's harder than I think. It's scary if you don't know stuff. That's an old beat up weird track though.
This one's shorter, I think.
That vintage track was cool. It's different. Holy cow, dude! That's gonna be hard, and I was going slow. Definitely didn't feel like I was moving. There towards the end, I was getting a little going.
Well, there's a hot dog if you want one.
Oh.
Well, it'll be fun.
Holy cow! I forgot to film.
It's all right.
I was gonna film it. Oh.
Oh man, it's getting late already. I'm ready to go to bed. It's a spot. I can wait for food now.
What's all this stuff? This looks good. Oh yeah, you gotta stir it up. Probably burn it up. Oh, it looks good. Look at that. Corn. Ooh, it's already pre-cooked, I think.
No, I think the
That looks bomb.
shrimps are raw. There's apples in it. It's gonna take a little while to cook because it's trying to build up some heat. I might dump some water in there and create some steam.
Look at that thing. You want me to sleep in it?
What?
Oh, dude, I just don't want to get in the way.
Somebody's tired.
Sit for a minute with the stuff on it.
Home base over there. Well, that was fun. Track in Lincoln. People can ride their e-bikes and their dirt bikes. I recommend there needs to be more places like this for kids to ride their e-bikes and get out of the house, stop playing video games, enjoy themselves. I'm 6 years old. I'm out of breath. I just got done running around the track doing the, the film and stuff. Won't see me out there on that track till they got a 60-year and above category. And I still might be way outclassed at that. So.
I like your shirt.
Hey, thank you very much.
Do you have to buy it online?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Like I need to buy one.
I bought a bunch. I got red ones.
So I had to let him go, or just one of them would have ran into me.
It doesn't have a.
That's why all of them went in front of me, and then I just caught back up.
Huh.
This is Superstar Jace Check right here, representing Nebraska Electric Power Sports. What do you got to say to all your sponsors?
Yep.
Get out of here.